Hi, this is Grayson with KORONA Support. Let's talk about extended product handling. This is a feature within KORONA that allows us to scan a product, and instead of it saying product not found, it assumes that the product is already within the system and that you just need to associate that barcode with the product you just scanned. It'll prompt you with a search bar where you can type in the name of the product, and then from this point forward, it will associate that barcode with that product. To activate this in your account, we're going to want to go down to Settings and POS Profiles. Select the profile you're using, and then scroll down to Product listed here. And it says Behavior during unknown product. Instead of Show message product not found, we're going to change that to Open Form Extended Product Handling. We're going to hit Save. Alright, now let's see what that looks like at the point of sale. Then we'll get this screen that wants us to tell it what product this code belongs to. We'll type in the name so that we can assign it. Click it, assign it, and book it. And then once we finalize this sale, it will associate the product with this code. Now that you've added the product code to the product at the point of sale, we need to confirm the code. To do this, we're going to go over to Notifications, and we'll see that there are new product code recommendations. We're going to click that. You'll see a list of multiple products, or the one product in this case that we have assigned a code to. All we have to do now is assign directly. Click Yes. And you'll see a little check mark on the right side, and we're done. That product's code is now officially assigned to that product from now on.